against the Vet and the CTSV. A little bit at the Vet for people who haven't seen my videos anymore. 400 wheel horsepower, a wheelwood, a big brake kit up front, sway bars, Bilstein shocks, a street track alignment. There's a racing bucket, steering wheel. Let's put the gist of it. So the CTSV is a 2012, 560 horsepower to crank, 550 foot-pounds of torque, Cup 2 tires, lowering springs with magnetic shocks. So this should be fun. As y'all can see, there are bikers out here, so I'm not gonna go crazy.
smell the brakes. The brakes are a little worn. Since the brakes are a little worn, I don't want to push it around these corners and everything like that and end up smoking them through the corner and end up tearing up the car. So I'm just gonna give it to him. That vet's fast. I give him that. Wish I'd been more prepared to actually take on the vet. But good job to Booker. Man, you got me. You got me on the V. But it's coming. I know what this car can do, and I know what Michelle can do. I wish I could take you on, Michelle. But with that being said, man, hey, good job. Like I said, I can't keep up with you. Don't want to destroy my car, man. So.
All right, Pocket. So tell me what your thoughts were on our little Touge battle just now.
So, just going around, your car is an overround like monster when it comes to curves. Not even gonna front on that. The going down, you kept up with me. You stayed on my back bumper the whole way. There was a few times straight away I would pull away from you just a little bit, but as soon as it came to a corner,
facts,
you got it. Turnaround point came around about the 5th corner coming in. I started noticing that I got a little brake fade. Started to keep up with you just a little bit, and then all of a sudden, like, you'd hit the corners, I'd lose you, and then I had the brake fade and literally went to the floor. So I said, nah, I'm not gonna destroy my car over that. So
fair enough. So even on that first run, which I think y'all see, like, I was struggling with following because I would close the gap and I would be like out of my power band a little bit, and then we'd go to a straight, and then like he hit the gas and just started to walk away from me, and you would just see me like just trying to play catch up, and then we'll come to the corner and it'll be the same thing over and over again. So it's kind of like a accordion effect, but you know, it was still a pretty fun little battle. If he had his track pads up on the CTSV, definitely would have made for
I mean, it'd been a lot funner to actually get out and do with the track pads, but all in all, my car is definitely a straight line car. I quit building it after I bought my M3, so I never even went back to even starting building this car as far as track wise. So when it came down to this car versus your car, yours got corners all day, mine's got straightaways. So.
Yeah, fair enough. But I actually did a review on the CTSV, so if y'all want to check that out, I'll make sure to link that. If you want to check him out up on IG, it's at pockets_toys, which I'll be down below. Also, and plus his YouTube channel. What's the name of your YouTube channel?
It's Pockets Toys as well.
Oh yeah, right. And so also, I'll link to his YouTube channel. But yeah, man, it was definitely pretty fun. Definitely pretty fun. The vet felt extremely good. I just got to get used to following somebody at speed. I haven't followed somebody at speed in a while, so I'm sure y'all could tell I made a few mistakes here and there, but overall, a fun battle. But this round goes to the vet. But hey, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please do like and subscribe, and make sure to give him a follow also. And definitely stay tuned for the next one. I'm out.